All right. My name is Dan Benoist. Been here for about 8 years, and I'm one of the engineers on our strategic initiatives team. In large part, whenever there's a problem that most teams can't fix, they come to us and we have to just do the research and development to figure out how to fix it. We've seen that there's a lot of places where people want to try and automate and it doesn't necessarily make sense. It ends up hurting the business. So we try and supplement it where it does make sense. And a lot of times it's in our shipping and receiving departments. That's the best benefit where we get it. Shipping specifically, the challenge is, like I just mentioned, can we get the device that we shipped to the customer in the state that we shipped it in? We want to make sure that from a tracking standpoint, and a lot of what this technology does, gives the customer the tracking to know all the way to the end, here's my device, it costs a lot, it's going to get to you in good hands. There's shipping tables that feed a lot of what this produces, and those shipping tables are based on manual input by humans. We had to standardize and automate that so the system knows when a box comes down, we know what the carrier is, what the service level is. It's not something that somebody manually typed in and we have to sift through that. We had to standardize a lot of the way this thing works. Automation has definitely standardized what we do. It's helped us catch a lot of errors and things like that humans can catch, but they don't always catch. But the big thing is just the efficiency and throughput. We've gotten twice as much volume, maybe 3 times as much volume over less people, a lot less people. How do we ship things in a parcel area with several people, and we were pushing them down a stretch conveyor line, which, if you can imagine, it was a lot of manual movement. So in working with StreamTech, presented with our problem and they came back with a solution, we started to work it through with the team and talk through all the different pros and cons, and here's what we're going to run into. And as we worked that through, it just turned into the solution, and it was implemented very well. But I would say from a technological standpoint, we are light years ahead of where we were 5 years ago. And just with the way technology runs, we keep in front of it, but man, it's hard. It's definitely hard. Every day is a new challenge. I never know what it's going to come at me, and we just like to use a lot of our knowledge, a lot of our experience to try and throw it at whatever the new day throws at us. So it's fun.